How to find Google two-step verification backup codes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So are you looking for your two-step verification backup codes? Then you're in the right place. First things first, open up a Google Chrome and then search for myaccount.google.com and you'll be landed to this page. Now swipe to the left and tap on security. Now scroll down and you will see two-step verification. Tap on it. Now you'll have to scroll down, tap on it, and then you'll see a list of backup codes. There will be 10 codes. You can just tap on the refresh option, that is like a circle arrow, tap on it, and then you can use new codes or you can even delete it. Or you can even download your codes or print your codes. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.